Let me introduce to all of you Dr. Chandramohan Nautiyal. Dr. Chandramohan Nautiyal is a well-known scientist and a science communicator. After BSc Honours in Physics from Meerut and MSc Physics from University of Roorkee, now IIT Roorkee, he completed PhD at PRL Ahmedabad, that is Physical Research Laboratory Ahmedabad. He was a scientific collaborator for the study of lunar samples brought during Apollo and Luna missions. He is Fellow of Geological Society of India, NCSTC Network, that is National Council for Science and Technology Communication Network, and Social Earth Scientists. In addition to INSA Medal, that is Indian National Science Academy Medal for Young Scientist 88, Travel Award from Meteorological Society USA, and INSA DFG Fellowship. DFG is basically German Research Foundation. He is a recipient of about a dozen other honors and awards. He has been member of many science committees, including National Commission Archaeological Sciences, and was a convener of NCSTC Network. He superannuated from Birbal Sahni Institute of Paleo Sciences, Lucknow, which is an institution of the Department of Science and Technology. In 2016, as scientist in charge of Radiocarbon Laboratory. On invitation, he has visited many countries including France, UK, USA, Germany, Switzerland, South Africa, Russia, and Vietnam. At present, he is consultant science communication to Indian National Science Academy, that is INSA, New Delhi. He is also member Board of Studies, Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut, Vice President Vibha, Awadh Prant, Chairman NCSC UP. NCSC is National Children Science Congress. Member Local Advisory Committee RSC Lucknow, Management Committee MR Jaipuria College and Indus Valley School, Lucknow. Advisor Breakthrough Science Society, Kolkata, UP Chapter. Chairperson NCSC UP East. Member Executive Vigyan Parishad Prayag as Vaya Antrangi. Club of Lucknow. Vice President Bharatiya Bhasha Pratishthapan Rashtriya Parishad UP. He is also a member of the Publication Committee Vigyan Prasar, a DST institution, and member of American Association Advanced Science USA. PSCT Network, that is Public Commission of Science and Technology, and corresponding member Palcom, Switzerland. We at this forum are honored to have him as a speaker. Let me introduce to all of you Dr. Sanjay Marale. Dr. Marale is an assistant professor at Kamla Nehru College, University of Delhi for last over 6 years. He teaches environmental science to the undergraduate students under Choice-Based Credit System (CBCS) of UGC. He is the president of Society for Environment and Sustainable Development, a Pan-India forum. Dr. Marale's high school was a 2-kilometer journey from his village, to which he had no other option than to be on foot. He completed his degree in chemistry, that is BSc, from ASC College, Palus. And yet again, he showed his enthusiasm towards his study by paddling a bicycle 15 kilometers to and fro his college for all the 3 years. He finished his master's degree in environmental science from Shivaji University, Kolhapur in the year 2000. Having completed his PhD from University of Pune in 2012, he is also a research assistant at Society of Integrated Coastal Management since October 2010 till date. We at this forum are honored to have him as a speaker.